Everyone seems to be talking about the Athena Club Body Lotion, but is it actually worth your money? Does it really hydrate dry skin? Can it really help to improve your rough and textured skin? Is it better than, CeraVe and other popular body lotions we know in the market? Is it even a treatment body lotion? This is not a personal review because I have not used the Athena Club Body Lotion myself. This is purely an educational ingredient analysis based on the published ingredient list and general skincare science. If you enjoy honest skincare education, ingredient breakdown, and helping you make the best informed buying decisions when it comes to skincare shopping and even other skincare tips, then please consider hitting the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Of course, please join our membership by clicking on the link in your description. Click on it to join this channel membership. It gives you access to one-on-one consultations. You can share your skincare concerns with me. We can analyze your current skincare product together to know what is working and what is not working, why they are not working, what is actually working, and what you need to improve on or what you need to discard. This body lotion is marked as a body lotion that is designed to hydrate your skin while supporting your skin's barrier, majorly to support your skin's barrier. The brand highlights things like Urea, Glycerin, 5 ceramides, multiple forms of hyaluronic acid, Niacinamide, Peptides, Panthenol, Squalane, Shea Butter, and even plant oils. So it is intended to provide long-lasting hydration to your skin to help improve your skin's softness while remaining lightweight on your skin. The brand claims, of course, that it hydrates deeply, that it supports your skin's barrier, it leaves your skin feeling smoother and fresher, and absorbs quickly into your skin without feeling greasy or sticky. Now, the first most important ingredient, like the key major ingredient in the Athena Club Body Lotion is the Urea, which is both a humectant and a gentle keratolytic. Now, this means that it will help to attract water into your skin and will also help to soften your rough, your dry, textured skin by loosening dead skin cells. This ingredient is commonly recommended for people who have rough, dry, bumpy, and textured skin. The next ingredient on my list, of course, is the glycerin, which is one of the most researched moisturizing ingredients in the skincare industry. This one is also where you get your hydration and moisturization from. It also attracts water to the outer layer of your skin and helps to reduce moisture loss. You find it also in many dermatologically approved moisturizers and other skincare products generally. Then, of course, third on the list would be ceramides. Now, ceramides are naturally and generally present in a healthy skin. However, when your skin's barrier becomes damaged, your ceramide level reduces and leaves your skin prone to, all sort of skin concerns or skin issues. So what skincare scientists have done is to find a way to include ceramides, in this case, into your skincare products to help to support your skin's barrier and to reduce that dryness on your skin. The brand also states actually that this body lotion contains about 5 ceramides. Athena Club Body Lotion also says that this body lotion contains different forms of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is also a humectant or skincare ingredient that binds water to the skin, helping it appear more hydrated and plump. So even if you are not very familiar with skincare terms, once you see that a skincare product, whether a cream, a toner, a serum, whatever it is, contains hyaluronic acid, it means that it is going to help to keep your skin smoother and fresher without any dryness for a longer period of time. It's basically going to moisturize your skin alongside other moisturizing agents that product may contain. Then, of course, there is the niacinamide, which is a very versatile skincare ingredient in the skincare space that helps to support your skin's barrier, improves hydration, reduces the appearance of uneven skin tone on your skin, also reduces the appearance of large pores on your face, and calms redness in some cases. However, the amount of results you get with using products that contain niacinamide might vary depending on the concentration of niacinamide and the consistency, okay, at which you use that particular product. For example, you can have products that contain 10% niacinamide, 20 to 30 to 50% niacinamide, or sorry, not even up to 50, okay, at least 20% niacinamide, or even lesser, as little as 1%, 0.5%, 0.01%. Another very wonderful moisturizing ingredient that this Athena Club Body Lotion contains is Panthenol, which is also known as Pro Vitamin B5, that helps to soothe your skin and to moisturize your dry skin. It also contains Squalane. Squalane is an emollient ingredient. Squalane is an emollient that helps to soften your skin and reduce moisture loss as well in your skin without feeling overly healthy. Then, of course, there is the Shea Butter, which will help to replenish your skin and is essentially beneficial for dry skin. It's beneficial for extremely dry skin in any kind of weather. The brand also the brand also claims to have included peptides in this body lotion, and peptides are commonly used in skincare because they help to support the skin's natural function and is also dependent on the concentration of peptides in that skincare product and your consistency of use as the end time user, right? From the ingredient list I just listed out, I can tell you that this particular body lotion, the Athena Club Body Lotion, is particularly or best suited for people who have dry skin. If you're experiencing dehydrated skin, you have rough elbows, rough knees, people, okay, that have their skin's barrier damage or want to support their skin's barrier, especially if you're older. However, if you also want a body lotion that can moisturize your skin every day as your daily moisturizer or during the winter season, then I mean the Athena Club Body Lotion is what you should be considering. However, even a well-formulated body lotion is not perfect for every single person. Some people may and have found that this body lotion is a bit heavier or rich in texture, especially people who have, very oily skin on their body, not on their face. This product is not to be used on the face. There is also the possibility of, fragrance irritation. If you know you are allergic to any of the ingredients that I have listed and explained, that you should be avoiding this particular body lotion. And you should also know that no single body lotion, no single moisturizer can permanently remove dark spots or stretch marks or hyperpigmentation on its own. You will need to support it with other things. And from even what I can see, this particular body lotion is not a treatment lotion, as I already even mentioned at the beginning of this video. So if you're looking to actually treat your dark spots on even skin tone and your stretch marks, you might want to add something else, maybe another treatment body lotion or a treatment body wash or a treatment body oil. Basically, the people who should be considering using this body lotion are people who have dry skin, rough skin, people who have compromised skin barrier, people who have or experience flaky skin on any part of their body, including the legs, or people who feel like they need daily hydration for their skin. So if you are looking for an exfoliating body lotion for your keratosis pilaris, your chicken leg, then you need another body lotion with a higher percentage of all these acids to actually help you achieve that result that you're looking for. If you have a prescription treatment for eczema or psoriasis, then you definitely want to skip this body lotion and go for a body lotion that contains the right kind of acids, AHAs, BHAs that you need for your skin's concern. And of course, if you are looking for a body lotion to fade your hyperpigmentation on its own, to clear out any dark spot or stretch marks that you might have, this is just emphasizing that you at this point need to stay clear of this particular body lotion. These products might not fully meet this need, to not give you what you want. It might, boost your appearance, make your skin smoother and softer, and improve your skin's overall appearance, but it will not eliminate or permanently eliminate any of those skincare concerns. And most people think that expensive lotions work better, but the truth is that price alone does not determine the quality of any body lotion or its effectiveness. What is important is the ingredient list, the quality of the ingredients, and the formulation, the percentage or concentration of the formulation. If a product tells you that it contains a high level, okay, or a high concentration, for example, of niacinamide, and you check the ingredient list and see that the niacinamide is among the last 5 ingredients on the ingredient list, please don't call yourself somebody that is using a product that contains niacinamide. People also generally believe that hyaluronic acid hydrates the skin by itself. Hyaluronic acid works best when combined with other moisturizing ingredients to help to reduce water loss, just as you've seen, okay, in the ingredient list. I think this particular product contains about 3 to 4 different hydrating ingredients like the Squalane, hyaluronic acid, Glycerin, that helps, okay, to reduce water loss on your skin, maintain your skin's barrier, lock in moisture, and to give you a hydrated, a glowing skin. With that said, ingredients don't tell the whole story of a skincare product. Sometimes things like the texture, the feel of the product, its absorption, fragrance, and individual skin's response can only be evaluated through real world use. So while this formulation looks promising on paper, I cannot personally confirm how it performs because, like I said, I haven't tested it. So if you're a brand and you want me to test out your products, please send them to me, sponsor a video, let's try it out and let people know what it actually feels like, so that you have real life testimonials of your skincare product. So if you've tried the Athena Club Body Lotion, I would love to hear your experience. Did it work well for your skin? What did you like or dislike about it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could help someone else make a more informed decision. And of course, if you enjoy breakdown of skincare ingredients and skincare products like this, do not forget to like this video, share it out, subscribe if you have not done that already, turn on the bell notification so that whenever another video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to know. And of course, let me know which other skincare product you would like me to analyze next. And with that said, my darlings, till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you. Bye.